Hello, and welcome to Trustifi. Now that you've signed up for a Trustifi account, what you're going to want to do next is download the Microsoft Office 365 Trustifi plugin. In order to do that, we're going to go to trustifi.com and go to the client login page on the upper right-hand side of the screen. This is going to bring us to the Trustifi login page where we're going to use the username and password that we signed up our account with. Once we log on, this is going to bring us to the Trustifi web portal, where we'll see the banner scroll by where we can click on the Outlook plugin. When we click on the icon, this is going to bring us to the Microsoft Office 365 store. And what we're going to want to do is click on the Get It Now button. When we click on that, it's going to bring up a message asking if we agree to the terms and conditions, which we will, and press Continue. This will then bring us to the confirmation where we can see that Trustifi has been successfully added to our account. What we're going to do next is open up Outlook web app. Now that we've opened up the Microsoft Outlook web app, what we're going to want to do is click on New Message to confirm that the Trustifi application has been downloaded. So what we'll do is go to the lower right-hand side of the screen and see the Trustifi icon here and click on it. This will open up the Trustifi application where we now have the ability to encrypt message content, require authentication, and postmark emails. Thank you so much for joining, and that's how you download the Office 365 Trustifi plugin.